Hi, I'm Oberoi, your Silicon Valley real estate resource. Proud to present another amazing listing I have here in the Silicon Valley. This home is like brand new. Everything was recently renovated. I really appreciate the high ceilings and large picture windows that allow for an abundance of natural light to shine throughout the open floor plan. Upon entering through the double doors, you're invited into the cozy living room and steps away from the formal dining area, giving a really good room feel. The updated kitchen has granite countertops, center island, and stainless steel appliances. Separate family room is adjacent to the kitchen with access to the stunning backyard with sparkling pool and patio area, perfect for entertaining. This home has the many more amenities you have to come and see for yourself. Situated in Evergreen Valley with some of the best schools in California. Well, thank you so much for taking the tour. As you saw, it's a gorgeous property close to all the major companies we have here in the Silicon Valley. And this home happens to be in one of the best neighborhoods with excellent schools. If you have any questions, reach out to me, and I look forward to seeing you at my open house this weekend. We're going to have live jazz band, sushi and drinks. I hope you stop by. See you then.